Install the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Android app from the link in the comment section below. It consists of dictionary, notes, formulas, calculators, quizzes and much more. So install the app now. In this video, we will see an example on phasors. Question: simplify the following expression. Here we have to simplify this complex number. So solution, let's say z is equal to this value. Now first of all, we have to perform addition here, and these are given in polar form, and we know that addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form. So here we can write addition and subtraction are better performed in rectangular form. So here we have to convert this polar form to rectangular form. So z is equal to x plus jy. This is called as rectangular form. And z is equal to r at an angle phi. This is called as polar form. Now we have to convert from polar form to rectangular form. So we need the value of x and y. So x is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. So therefore the formula will be z is equal to r cos phi plus j sin phi. Here we can see in place of x we can substitute r cos phi, and in place of y we can substitute r sin phi. So we can take here, this will be r sin phi. Now this is correct. Now from this both we can take this r common. So therefore z is equal to r in bracket cos phi plus j sin phi. So this is the formula to convert from polar form to rectangular form. So first of all, let's convert this 240 at an angle 75 degree. 240 at an angle 75 degree. So this is the value of z, and here we can see this is the value of r, this is the value of phi. So we have to convert it into this form, r cos phi plus j sin phi. The value of r is 240 in bracket cos phi. The value of phi is 75 degree plus j sin phi value is again 75 degree. So this will be, now we can calculate this in calculator. So 240 into cos 75 plus I into sin 75. So it is this value 62.11 plus j 231.82. So this is the value in rectangular form. Now similarly we will do this for 160 at an angle minus 30 degree. 160 at an angle minus 30 degree only. So this will be equal to r in bracket cos phi plus j sin phi. So again the value of r is 160 and this is the value of phi. So this will be 160 cos minus 30 degree plus j sine minus 30 degree. So this will be 160 in bracket cos minus 30 degree plus I into sine minus 30 degree. So here this will be 138.56, 138.56, then minus 80 j, minus j80. We can verify this in calculator. So 160 at an angle minus 30 degree, then shift 2. We need this in rectangular form, so 4. So it is 138.56 minus j80. Also, let's verify this answer. 240 at an angle 75. So it is 62.11 plus 231.82. So hence our answer is correct for both. Now we got this in rectangular form. So let's simplify this. Let's copy this again. Now in place of 240 at an angle 75 degree, 240 at an angle 75 degree, we can substitute this value. So let's copy it from here. Then plus, now in place of 160 at an angle minus 30 degree, we can substitute this value. Now this is 60 minus j80 as it is, divided by this 67 plus j84, 20 at an angle 32 degree. So here we have to add the real part first. So 62.11 plus 138.56. So let's add this in calculator. 62.11 plus 138.56. So this is 200.67. 200.67. Now we will add the imaginary parts. So it is 231.82. 231.82 minus 80. So this is 151.82. So plus j 151.82. Now this is as it is 60 minus j80 divided by this is 67 plus j84 and 20 at an angle 32 degree. Now here we have to multiply this, and we know that multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. Here we can write multiplication and division are better performed in polar form. So let's convert this rectangular form to polar form. Again, z is equal to x plus jy. This is called as rectangular form, and z is equal to r at an angle phi. This is called as polar form. So now we need to convert this rectangular to polar form. So we need the value of r, and r is equal to under root of x square plus y square, and this phi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. And also remember that when the real part of this rectangular form is negative, that time we add 180 here. So remember this point. So let's convert this, copy this from here directly. We have to convert this rectangular form to polar form. That means we need r at an angle phi. So the value of r is under root of x square plus y square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. Now here we can see this is the value of x and this is the value of y. So let's solve this. Under root of x square means 200.67 square, 200.67 square plus y square means 151.82 square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. The value of y is 151.82 divided by 200.67. So this will be under root of 200.67 square plus 151.82 square. So this is 251.63 at an angle tan inverse of 151.82 divided by 200.67. So it is 37.10 degree. This is in polar form. Now similarly we will do this for 60 minus j80. Before that we will verify our answer in calculator. So 200.67 plus I into 151.82. So shift, then 2, then 3. So it is 251. So 251.63 at an angle 37.10. So hence our answer is correct. Now we will do the same for 60 minus j80. 60 minus j80 is equal to r at an angle phi. So again the value of r is under root of x square plus y square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. So this will be under root of x square is 60 square plus y square is minus 80 square. Minus 80 square at an angle tan inverse of y by x, that means minus 80 divided by 60. So this will be under root of 60 square plus in bracket minus 80 square. 60 square plus minus 80 square. So it is 100. 100 at an angle tan inverse of minus 80 divided by 60. So it is minus 53.13. Minus 53.13 degree. So again this is in polar form. Let's verify our answer in calculator. 60 minus I into 80. So shift 2, 3. So it is 100 at an angle minus 53.13 degree. So hence we got our answer. Now let's simplify this. Also we will convert this 67 plus j84. So let's copy it from here. So again same, r at an angle phi. So under root of x square plus y square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. So this will be under root of x square means 67 square plus y square means 84 square at an angle tan inverse of y by x. The value of y is 84 and the value of x is 67. So this will be under root of 67 square plus 84 square. 67 square plus 84 square. So it is 107.44. 107.44 at an angle tan inverse of 84 divided by 67. So it is 51.42. 51.42 degree. So let's verify our answer in calculator. 67 plus I into 84. Shift 2, 3. 107.44 at an angle 51.42. Now next is, this is the value of z. So z is equal to this value, and we have converted all these three rectangular form to polar form. So let's copy this from here. And now we will replace this rectangular form to polar form. So here this 200.67 plus j 151.82. So this can be replaced by this value. So let's copy this from here. Similarly, we will do this for this 60 minus j80. So 60 minus j80 can be replaced by this value. Divided by 67 plus j84. 67 plus j84 is this value. Now this 20 at an angle 32 degree, this will be remain as it is because it is already in polar form. So now we can easily simplify this. So this will be 251.63 into 100. So this will be directly 251.63 at an angle. Now these angles will be added. 37.10, then plus minus 53.13 degree divided by, now we have to multiply this 107.44 into this 20. So it is 2148.8. 2148.8 at an angle. We have to add them 51.42 plus 32. So this will be now, let's simplify this first. So 25163 at an angle. This will be 37.10 plus in bracket minus 53.13. So it is minus 16.03. Minus 16.03 divided by 2148.8 at an angle 51.42 51.42 plus 32. 83.42. 83.42. So 25163 divided by 214 2148.8. So this is 11.71 at an angle minus 16.03 minus 83.42. So this will be 11.71 at an angle. This will be minus 16.03 minus 83.42. So this is equal to minus 99.45 minus 99.45 degree. So this is the final answer for this question. So therefore this is equal to this value. We can verify our answer in calculator. So let's verify our answer in calculator. $240 at an angle 75 plus 160 at an angle minus 30 degree, then 60 minus I into 80 divided by 67 plus I into 84, 20 at an angle 32. So this is this value in rectangular form. In polar form, shift 2 3. So it is 11.71, 11.70 or 71, both are correct, approximately same, at an angle minus 99.45 here, and here it is 44. So hence our answer is correct. So this is how we can simplify this expression. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.